In this video, I'll guide you through how to log in to Zoho Mail using your Gmail account. We'll go step by step, so even if you're new to Zoho or you don't sign in with Google very often, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your Zoho Mail inbox using your Google credentials. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho website. In the address bar at the top, type zoho.com and press enter. This will take you to Zoho's main homepage, where you'll see a variety of their apps and services. Don't worry about any of those for now. We're just focused on signing in. Once the homepage is loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a sign in button there. It might be a text link or a small button depending on when you're watching this, but it will clearly say sign in. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Zoho sign in page. On the sign in page, you'll usually see a standard email and password form for Zoho accounts. Under that or next to it, Zoho also offers sign-in options with other providers. What you're looking for here is the Google icon. This is the option that lets you use your existing Google account, which includes your Gmail login, instead of creating or using a separate Zoho password. Find the Google icon, which is usually a multicolored G symbol. Click that Google icon. When you do, Zoho will redirect you to a Google sign-in screen, or if you're already logged into Google in your browser, it may show you a list of Google accounts that are available. Now, you'll need to select the Google account you want to use with Zoho Mail. If you see your Gmail address listed, click on it. If the account you want isn't listed, choose the option to use another account and then type in the Gmail address and password you want to connect. And this step is important because Zoho will use this Google account to verify who you are and to link your Zoho profile. After you select your Google account and complete any prompts, such as entering your password or confirming that you trust Zoho, Google will send you back to Zoho. At this point, you're signed in to Zoho using your Google credentials. You're now ready to access your email. On the Zoho dashboard or landing page, look for the Mail option. This is often shown as an icon labeled Mail or Zoho Mail. Click on Mail. Zoho will open your email interface where you can read, send, and manage your messages, just like you would in any other email client. If this is your first time signing in with Google, Zoho might ask you to confirm a few profile details the first time you open Mail. Just follow the on-screen prompts, keeping your information accurate so everything stays in sync. And that's it. You've successfully logged in to Zoho Mail using your Gmail account by going to zoho.com, signing in, choosing the Google option, selecting your Google account, and finally clicking on Mail to open your inbox.